Hello guys, welcome to another Jira administration tutorial from rcvacademy.com. In this tutorial we are going to progress further with the Jira administration stuff, and we'll now move to the Jira project admin tutorial series. Now, as a Jira administrator, you will be required to create projects a lot for different teams. So in this series, or in the upcoming couple of tutorials, we'll cover how you can go ahead and configure or create the new projects, then configure the workflow, the fields, screens, etc. So we'll cover a lot in this series as well. So let's get started with creating the project in Jira. So at the moment I am already in the project. I created the default project, but to create a project you simply just click on the cogwheel in the right hand side and click on the project. And here at the moment there is one project already, right? So what I'll do is I'll just click on create project. So here, as an administrator, you will be having access to create project, and simply you can click on this create project button, and then it will open the different templates that are available within Jira. So I have instance of Jira software, and that is why I'm getting Scrum software development project, or Kanban software development, or basic software development template already available. And as I have service desk instance as well, so I have basic IT service desk or customer service type of project I can create. And then because of Jira core, I can create a simple project management project, or task management, or process management project. So let's start with the Scrum software development project. So you can choose any of these projects, and it's just about learning the process of creating the project and then configuring the project. It's not about this tutorial series is not about teaching a specific type of project. So we'll create any. So we'll just create the most common agile software development methodology, which is Scrum, and we'll go with that. So you have different options here. So you can create with the shared configuration any project, you can import a project, or you can create with the sample data. Now, because we are trying to learn Jira administration here, I'll click on create sample data, so that we have some issues and tasks already created in the project, and we don't have to create them manually. The other option is create with shared configuration. If you click on this, it will take you to the shared configuration page, and what you can do is you can share the configuration from the existing project that you have. So for example, at the moment I have a project named RCV Academy. I can choose this particular project, and all the configuration that has been done in this particular project will be utilized when you are going to create a new project using the shared configuration of this project. So we won't do that. We'll go back and we'll create a fresh project with the sample data. Okay, so with sample data I'll create Scrum software development and click next. Now you will be asked to provide the name of the project. Okay, so I'll say RCV Academy online portal, and here in the key, make sure you give like a key which can be recognized easily, or people who are looking at those issues can recognize which project this particular issue belongs to. So I'll just say ROP, or RCV online portal, and then by default, as an admin, because you are logged in as an administrator and you are creating this project, it will choose you as the project lead. You can change the project lead from here, so you can start typing in the users the name here, and it will pop up the user whom you want to allocate as a project lead. So I'll just change the project lead to Jay Guian, and click on submit. Now once you submit, or once you click on submit, it will create the project, and because we have chosen the sample data as well, it will create the project with the sample data in Jira. So once the project has been created successfully, you will be redirected to the backlog or board page, because this is the Scrum project that we have created, and you are here on the project page with all the sample data in this project. So you can see there are some issues in the backlog, and you can see the key ROP and then hyphen whatever the number of the issue is, and that's all available here. And you have some versions as well, so versions are created as well. So this all came from the sample data that we created. Now till now we have been looking at the Jira administration stuff. Now in the project, now because we are in the project, we'll see the project settings as well. So in the left hand side, in at the corner, you see the cogwheel. That's the project administration settings. So if you click on this project administration cogwheel, it will open the project administration section of a particular project, and from this section you can manage the project settings of a particular project. So it has opened the project settings of your Jira project, which is RCV Academy online portal, and on this project setting page you can see all different types of settings that are available for the particular project, including the issue type, version, component, workflows, screens, roles, permissions, etc. We'll cover all of these in detail when we go further with the project settings. Now once the project has been created, you can edit the project as well, right? So you can simply click on the project details, or even in the summary. So at the moment you see the summary, just let it load, and we'll go to the project settings again. Sorry. Now from the project settings, this is the summary page. If you go to the details, from the details page you can change whatever settings you want to change for the project. If you want to change the name, you can change the name from here. You can also change the key, the URL, and the type of the project you can change from here, and you can change the project image. Description of the project, this is very useful to make sure everyone who is looking at the project understands what exactly the project is all about. So providing relevant detail there, and once you are done with the editing of the project, you can save the details and the new project details will get updated. So that's pretty much all about how you can create a new project in Jira, and if you want to edit the details of the project, then how you can go into the details section and edit the details of the existing project. Thank you very much for watching. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you.